Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute ringtone you should hold and swipe to the right side this dot with your finger. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, then click here to the three dots and you'll see the same sound settings or the same volume panel section. Just to unmute ringtone, hold and swipe it to the right side and then click here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.